Hello everyone. First of all, thank you all for watching our video. Today we are making this video for giving you some valuable information about the accounting softwares that are used in the hospital industry. This is a part of a project from our college from the subject financial accounting. So let's kickstart it. I am Keshav Rathi and my 4 team members Harsh Gosavi, Mohit Bankule, Piyush Sabu and Omkar Hevle. We are here to tell you about the 5 most used and most valuable accounting software in the field of hospital industry. Okay, so for kickstarting things, I am gonna focus on Epicor from Epic Systems. The dynamic platform provides a range of features to the table, enhancing hospital operations and financial management. Let's explore further. To kick off things, let's start about integration. Epicor seamlessly integrates with hospital management systems, creating a bridge for smooth data transfers between clinical and financial operation. This means that the hospitals can work with accurate and up-to-date information, optimizing their workflow. Now let's zoom on to the medical expense tracking. Epicor equips hospitals with robust tools to track medical expenses from supplies to equipments. What's great in these costs can be allocated to different departments or procedures, giving administrations a clear view of their expenses. For hospitals dealing with international patients or operating across borders, the multi-currency and multi-language support provided by Epicor is invaluable. Heading different currencies becomes a breeze. Language barriers are no longer a hurdle for effective communication. Compliance is a very cornerstone of the healthcare management. Epicor ensures hospitals stay on the right track by offering audit trails and security controls. Moreover, its robust reporting capabilities enables in-depth financial analysis, assisting hospitals to make informed decisions. Next up, patient billing and insurance claims. Epicor steps in the streamline of billing process, making it efficient and accurate. It also helps the hospitals in managing insurance claims, helping them navigate the complex world of claims submission. Financial planning is the heart of effective hospital management. Epicor's financial management module provides departments and projects with budgeting features. This empowers hospitals to plan their finances and allocate their resources strategically.
Hello, my name is Piyush Sabu and I will be telling you about the Cerner Corporation, which is extensively used in hospital industry. The name of the software is Cerner Financial Management. Now, the functions of Cerner Financial Management are: number 1 is integration. Cerner Financial Management integrates well with Cerner's healthcare information system to synchronize clinical and financial data. Since there are many data regarding the finances of an hospital or the clinical, how much beds are available and availability of doctor, so it integrates well with the hospital and the available data. The second one is medical expenses tracking. It offers expense tracking and cost allocation features tailored to hospital need. So since their hospitals are having different types of facilities like trauma care facilities, ICU care facilities, so it helps them in helping proper expense tracking, like how much the patient has already spent, what is the what is the charges that patient is going to spend, etc, etc. The next one is multi-currency and multi-language. Cerner Financial Management supports multi-currency transaction and is adaptable to various languages. Since India is a hospital hub and there are India is developing as a medical tourism hub, many tourists comes to India for their particularly health needs. So basically they do transaction with the help of forex cards, and forex cards are usually the transactions are done in dollar, pounds, etc, different currencies, maybe real also. So it integrates well with the multi-currency and multi-language model, and it helps patients to do the transaction much more smoothly. The next one is compliance and reporting. This software aids in compliance with healthcare regulations and provides comprehensive financial reporting. The next one is patient billing and insurance claim. Cerner simplifies patient billing and insurance claim management, enhancing revenue cycle and management. Since most of the insurance penetration is increasing in India day by day, and most of the patients are already having different types of health insurance, so it's important to have basically to pass the claims cashless also. There are features of cashless insurance claim, so it integrates with the insurance company and the patient's data, and it helps in patient billing and insurance claim. The last but not the least is budgeting and financial planning. Cerner's solution assists in budgeting and planning, aligning financial goals with operational strategies. Thank you.
Start.
Hello everyone, and today we will be diving into the topic World's Healthcare Management Solution with focus of Infer CloudSuite Healthcare. The powerful software brings a comprehensive set of tools to streamline hospital operations and enhance the financial transparency. So let's jump right in. The CloudSuite Healthcare seamlessly integrates both financial and clinical data, offering a complete holistic view of hospital operations. This means the administration and healthcare professionals can access crucial information all in one place, helping them to make informed decisions. Medical expenses tracking in critical features. The CloudSuite Healthcare hospitals can accurately track and allocate medical expenses. This is only promotes effective cost control but also ensures greater financial transparency. But if we are dealing with international patients or partners, no worries, CloudSuite Healthcare supports multi-currency transaction, making cross-border financial management breeze. Plus, it offers language adaptability, ensures that language barriers don't hinder communication. Compliances and reporting are essential in healthcare. CloudSuite Healthcare addresses the requirement head on. It helps hospital meetings, compliances, standards, and provides extensive financial reporting capabilities, so you can stay on top of regulations with maintaining clear financial records. Now let's talk about patient billing and insurance claim. CloudSuite Healthcare steps in assist and patient billing, streamlining the process of reducing errors. In addition, it automates insurance claim management, which can save hospital value and time and efforts. Financial planning is the key of any institution, and hospitals are no exception. CloudSuite Healthcare offers budgeting and forecasting tools that empower hospital plan effectively, calculate resources, and wisely make a data-driven financial decisions. And the last point, you can have Infer CloudSuite Healthcare in nutshell, from integration and extensive tracking, multi-currency supports, compliances, patient billing, and financial planning. This software covers it all. Thanks for tuning in.
Hello, my name is Mohit Babankule, and the software used in hospitals I'll be talking about is MedSphere OpenVista. Let's talk about the first point. It's integration. OpenVista integrates with clinical systems to ensure consistent data flow between clinical and financial functions. The second point is medical expense tracking. It provides tools for tracking medical expenses and allocating costs to relevant hospital activities. All the relevant hospital activities and expenses are being tracked by this software. The third point is multi-currency and multi-language. OpenVista supports multi-currencies and languages for international hospital operations. This is normally used during the international duties. The fourth point is compliance and reporting. The software addresses compliance needs and offers reporting feature for financial analysis. All the activities related to financials and the analysis is done by this software. The next point is patient billing and insurance claims. OpenVista streamlines patient billing and claims processing. All the billing activities are done through this. And finally, budgeting and financial planning. OpenVista includes budgeting and financial planning capabilities for hospital departments and projects, which also helps in all the activities and the hospital departments for its projects. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Omkar Yevle. I would be talking about the Oracle software, Oracle NetSuite for Healthcare. The 6 features for which would be, the first would be integration. NetSuite offers integration between financials and clinical operations for data consistency. Second would be medical expense tracking. It facilitates the tracking and categorizing of medical expenses for accurate financial management. The third would be multi-currency and multi-language, which supports multiple currencies and can be adapted to different languages. The next one would be compliance and reporting. The software provides tools for compliance management and offers robust reporting functionalities. The next one would be patient billing and insurance claims. NetSuite also assists in patient billing and supports insurance claim processing. The last but not the least would be budgeting and financial planning. NetSuite includes budgeting and various financial planning capabilities to align financial goals with hospital strategies. Thank you.